Hi people, this is Nettie again. I want to show you something. Excuse, I want you to see it nice and big. This one is a little baby. It looks big there, but it's a little baby. And this one too. This one is from this plant. It gives a lot of yellow flowers. And at this moment it doesn't have much, but they're regrowing. As you can see back there, you see that yellow spot? That's one of the flowers. They lose the flower, and then after they lose the flower, the other one's right behind it again. And this one is this one. Look how beautiful. And it has little babies over here. It has 1, 2, 3 coming out in the ground, plus around it, it has like 3 of them also. And I cut this one from the stem. It didn't have this in the floor. It had just a stem on the top. So I cut it and I put it in water and see what happens. I want to see if I can propagate it. That's my idea. This one already has like the rough spot right there. And let me put it a little farther. Right there, you see how white it looks? That's about to give the roots. This one, if I don't know if you can see it, you see those little things hanging out? Those are roots. So I'm going to wait for it to have plenty of roots because they're babies. You can't just put it with a little bit of roots. And I'm going to see if I propagate it right. As you know, this is my mint. These are already ready to be planted. I was going to plant it up here, but it's too much roots. And one that I did as an experiment, it died. So I'm just going to use this one that has less and doesn't have much roots. So that's what I'll be doing today, and I hope you like it. So I'll let you know what happens to this. You know what? These plants are good, and you could get this one to stay in water also. You could make a floral, and you don't have to go and buy one. You cut it, you put it in water, you know, and this plant is not the type that would die in 2 or 3 days. Plain water, you know, one of those lawn sticks that is like for flowers and stuff. You could put it in there and make a bouquet. You know, put it on top of the table on a special occasion. And you know that after a special occasion is over, you could transplant them. That's the best way you could save money. So that's all for now. God bless you. And until next time. Bye-bye.